What's up, my dudes? Darren Dyk here with Beyond Slow Motion. Let's flash back to 2015. This is me at my sister's wedding. I weighed 302 pounds. That's the most that I've ever weighed in my entire life. Flash forward to today. I weighed in today at 232 pounds, which is 70 pounds and officially takes me out of the obese category according to CDC guidelines for my age, height, gender, all that biz. I am so excited, and I thought this would just be a fun visual reminder of just how much weight I no longer have on my body. So let's go ahead and take this 60-pound dumbbell and get destroying some stuff.
We've justified our sin, and we're gonna take you on a ride till we find answers within. Location not here, in shadows we all disappear. Hold on, switch gears, we're gone as fast as we appeared.
Well, that was some super satisfying destruction in super slow motion. Also, maybe a few too many hours picking up Skittles that missed the tarp. That said, let's talk about today's sponsor, Audible. Audible is the leading provider of spoken word entertainment and audiobooks. They have titles that range from bestsellers to celebrity memoirs, news, business, self-development, and a lot of awesome fiction. Seriously, there's some really good titles up in that mix. Every month, members get 1 credit to pick any title on their platform. They also get a whole range of selection from Audible originals, and they get access to daily news digests from places like the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, the Washington Post. There's some really, really good and high quality news sources in that mix. So one of the primary ways that I personally use Audible is that I am in the cutting phase of my training right now, which means that I am on the elliptical, burning as many calories as possible for hours on end on most given days, which means that I can get really, really sore over time. And it is really, really helpful to have like an audiobook or podcast to have your mind focused on rather than the soreness and worn outness of your body. Like I can go for longer periods of time, burn more calories, build more endurance. It's legitimately really, really helpful. So one audiobook that I would highly recommend checking out is called Waking Up by Sam Harris. And it is essentially a deep dive into meditation and spirituality from a scientific perspective. He is a neuroscientist who is just digging into these from an analytical, mechanical perspective. And he talks a lot about what's called mindfulness meditation. And that mindfulness meditation for me has been massively helpful in being able to just kind of navigate a given day. Seriously, it has helped me so much in life. I highly recommend checking out his work. So if you're interested in checking out Waking Up or any of the amazing titles available on audible.com, you can go to audible.com/slow motion or text slow motion to 500 500. That is audible.com/slow motion or text slow motion to 500, 500 for a free trial. I definitely recommend checking out. Seriously, it is an awesome service. Anyway, if you're interested in checking out the full-length version of this video, I will leave links to that in the description down below, as well as to my skateboarding channel, where I am going to elaborate a bit more in depth about how I lost weight, my goals as a professional skateboarder, and about my new video part that I'm working on that I'm super excited about. Seriously, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'll leave links to all of that in the description down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Until next time, take care, and I will see you soon.